Yep. Where do you see him?
You see the bin that we tried in front of?
Oh, I see him. I see him. Yeah, he's far though. Yeah, I don't think I can peek. Hold on. Long peeking? I guess that works too.
He's gone. No, he's not. He's done. 15 hours, rushing building.
Which building?
This building.
Raj.
He's out.
Come on, man. How did I hit you? Did I hit that guy in UN truck? What the fuck?
There's a few auto in the back. Just be careful.
I'm gonna move up. Right? Hell no.
There was like one guy in UN truck?
Oh, hell no. Let it taste it. Behind barrels. About like 1 o'clock.
Raj. 1 o'clock. So this way.
Looks good. Down the middle. Oh shit, what the hell?
Got one on barrels? Right there. Just go to where David is at.
There's a guy that just rotated on the right.
Rotate it to the left? Copy. You're good, walk back this way.
See somebody?
No clue. No visual. Oh, hey, good shot. Heard. Watch out for this crack here on the barrels. Got one between the barrels. Go out cover. Go.
Hey, no, what are you?
Hey, you see anything?
Negative. I don't see anyone on this side. I'm not sure about your guys' side.
I see a few getting down the left.
Raj. Fuck's sake. You're there. Let me walking in.
We're just gotta be careful down the cross.
Call it. Hey, push your left. Push your left.
Left side. I see him. You see him. You see him too? Behind the box. Hey, left, left. Hold on. I'm pull back left. Pull back left. You're good. Go, go, go. Hold on. Which one is the one with the empty?
Where's red? Oh, it's right with David's.
Oh shit, my ringer's
You guys
still
gonna
on.
go over there?
I want to, yeah, pull this way.
We're gonna run around and go to the second building.
Oh wait, come back to Alvin. This way. Okay. That's not a person, what the fuck?
That's just a mask.
I'm fucking schizophrenic. You're good. One, back this way. You're good. Tripping. I got 2 across. Try to flush into the building, and then I'll distract him. Reloading. Across from this building, so they're right here. Right side. Is he dead? Yeah, he's dead.
Oh, in the container?
Behind that wooden box.
Oh, I see.
Hey, across our building. Hey, guys, no bands. Across our building, behind a wooden box. Just watch across that building. Woo! Hit. Good shot. Fucking shit. You're good. Sorry, you're good, you're good. Oh, fuck. Woo! Hit. Good shot, right in the goggles. Yeah. I'm going this way.
You got 4 or 5 people left.
Damn, we are way too fucking.
Wait, hey, stay down. No, stay down.
Hey, stay down, buddy medic. Hold on, I'm gonna try to drag your ass here. Hey, I need someone to cover me. Hey, this side, this side, this side. Cover me. I'm gonna. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go. You're good.
Hey, be careful when you guys stand out here. They got an angle over there. I see the field.
Oh yeah, copy that. Hey, watch forward. I think there might be someone forward. I'm gonna try to push. You want?
On the box, on the box. See, guys. us. Let's do that shit right here.
Woo! Gunshot. Oh, that one kid running.
Hey, there's gonna be a man in the sewers.
Sewers?
There's gonna be a man in the sewers.
Woo! I got hit.
One.
Right across. Hey, I got one right across here.
You're good. I'm surprised I didn't get shot when I came over here. I'll sit down.
Oh, dude, I'm running out of air. This is bad.
No air?
Yep. Where's Josh? Josh, I need you. I need you right now, Josh. Come here, grab my nuts.
What the fuck?
I need a mag, I need a mag. Oh, they're pushing off.
I'm hitting that guy's gun.
I'll stay low to revive you guys.
Reloading?
You good?
Where at? Behind us.
You see his gun? His gun's poking out. Got one? Behind the rock. Watch behind that rock. Watch the rock in front of you guys. One peeking his. One is the left, one on the right. Got one?
Hey. Push me, take! Three on the main! Hit!
Fuck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I could use a revive.
Hold on. Hey, on the statue. One on the right of the statue.
You revive? Yeah. You got a revive? You still have life?
I know, I think that's it on mine.
Revive? On three.
Shit! Two guys?
Huh?
Right, went around this way. One right there. Is he confirmed?
1 minute left there, stop!
Whoa! You're good. Moving around? Okay, let's move around.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, go.
You're good. 1, 2, 3, 4,
I have a
5.
wife and kids. Kill them instead.
What?
Hey, come on.
Here, I'll confirm this guy.
Wait, what?
Oh, yeah.
No, please don't
Alright,
execute
go,
me.
go, go.
Please don't execute
I got him, I got him.
Hey, come on. Hey, push. 1, 2, 3.
That was brutal.
No mercy. One far? Oh, he's down. In the bushes?
Hey,
Oh shit!
Ah, yo, bro, chill the fuck out.
Oh, I didn't hit you if I did.
No.
You're good. Hey, where are you?
no, chill, bro. I didn't.
Yeah, no, bro.
You see him? Got one?
Yeah, I agree. It's a fucking great play. My fault.
You can try to move in. I can cover. go. Moving. Straight, 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 straight. Right here. On your left. Got it? Shit. I got one on my right on the rocks. Oh, on the rocks. Oh, hit. Oh, right in the nuts. Okay. You got a ball shot too? I see you.
You're watching the right?
I'm watching our left. Changing. Between the box and the rocks on the right left. Go walk! If you're good. I think I got him. Holy shit, I probably fucking smoked him. Oh fuck.
One coming right.
Hard. I'll watch Maze.
Hey, on the right. Second box out.
Copy that. My son. Watch your right. Or watch your left, sorry. He's down, he's down. If you're out, just walk.
Hey, dude, the guy right there, I got him in the chest twice while he was running across. He's not going out.
What color is he wearing? Oh, those are paintballers. Whoops! Hey! One more guy! Push up on me!
Yeah, my bad, bro.
I saw two to the right. Going. watch low. Right here, right across from us. Hey, right across on the right. On the left side, I mean, sorry. Sorry. Hey, I got one guy right behind this box. Right here. He peeked left, he's gonna peek right.